Hi, here we are once again. This next little piece, I seem to, when I was writing it, to have felt very Japanese. I don't know why, don't ask me to explain it, but it's a little something called Empty Cup. The rice field was peaceful. The moon misted over. The shadows cast blankets to cover the stars. I asked of the wise man who lived in the temple to grant me one favor. I'd come very far. The wealth of the ages was the light in his eyes. I'd seen many sages, heard many lies, fought many battles, and wore a disguise. But the time just kept ticking away, and my life left me nothing to say. We sat at his table. He took out 2 teacups. He left his cup empty, and he poured just for me. But instead of stopping, he kept right on pouring the tea, spilling over the table and me. Was this the same wise man I'd heard stories about? Suddenly, he just seemed like an old man gone crazy with time. He sensed my confusion. He ceased from his pouring, but then came his laughter. His eyes burned in mine. You came here for something you thought I could give you. You held out your teacup. You asked for your share. But what can I add to a cup that's not empty, where wisdom spills over and onto the floor? Empty your cup and be humble, my son. The truth comes when patience and love are one. All things of value are worth more when earned. Empty your cup, child. There's so much to